I did a long refactoring stream today from my couch, and I think that this format is going to work out. Using that same video footage, I will annotate and explain in brief what I did on stream earlier. First, I've been on a crusade to consolidate my hand-rolled component system. Many of the previous struct type defs I was using can be collapsed into a single type, which greatly simplifies things going forward. It also establishes strong best practices when implementing new components. Secondly, I went in and fixed some unit test code. I had commented out several working tests that had broken at some point, and now is the time to examine why they broke to begin with. Some of the new code from the type consolidation broke things, but there was some other things that had previously broken. I stepped through the existing unit test functions and made sure all of the tests made sense, made sure that the tests themselves passed as well. Lastly, I also decided to slightly tweak how new dungeon floors are initialized. I separated the steps responsible for separating, or rather setting, the variable like defaults themselves and the creation of new structures such as the rooms. Previously, they were being performed in a single function or step. By separating them, I create better granularity for creating different kinds of dungeon floors. It was a rather long stream, but that's kind of pretty much what I did. It wasn't very visually interesting, but I figured that y'all could use a little bit of a what the fuck did I just watch explanation. So I hope that helped somebody. Perhaps this summary might actually be useful.